Title code ITPY-ML01. Title: Prediction of air quality using supervised machine learning technique. Abstract: Here, air pollution refers to the release of pollutants in the air dangerous to environments. So our data science project, we take pollutants PM2 like PM2.5, carbon monoxide data set. Then we take statistical analysis process. Then after statistical analysis and visualization for graph visualization, graph the data, and then feature engineering process, how to feed algorithm. Here feature engineering to prepare data to feed algorithm, machine learning algorithm. After then training process, training the algorithm, getting testing process. Here we take accuracy, F1 score, confusion matrix, etc. Existing concept. They are using PM2.5 pollution. They are only predict this pollution only. They are using gradient similar between saturation, gradient similarity. Existing drawback. They are using photographic method. To predict PM2.5, this pollutant only. Proposed concept. We are take the data set. For this is the data science project. So take the data set and pre-processing and statistical analysis using data analysis. This is the data analysis. Data analysis means EDA, cleaning the data. EDA, exploratory data analysis. And visualize, univariate analysis. Here visualize univariate, bivariate, multivariate, and correlation, some outliers, etc. Here that analyze the process. After then using feature selection, feature construction, feature extraction process to feed the data, machine learning algorithm to prepare the data. After preparing the data, we train the machine learning model, machine learning algorithm. So getting the model and the next testing the model. After testing, we get accuracy, confusion matrix, and cross validation process. Here they are doing the cross validation model evaluation, like model evaluation process. This is called generalization. Proposed advantages. This is the future research issues. This is the best model for air quality prediction. We predict here lots of CO2, carbon dioxide, some NO2 and CO, PM 2.5, some etc. This pollutant we predict here. This is the best model for machine learning algorithm, machine learning model. Existing. They are using existing technique. They are using photo based method. Proposed technique algorithm. Here we using supervised machine learning algorithms. Supervised machine learning classification method. We predict which area, which pollutants. Area based pollutants. Here architecture. We take the data set. We take the data set and feed the data from meteorology department. So here the past this is the data set, and after pre-processing EDA process, here we're doing EDA and visualization, feature engineering. This process doing here pre-processing data. This is the data analysis process, and after that compare machine learning the algorithm. Here we comparing four type of machine learning algorithm, four algorithms, which for algorithm and getting the best accuracy, which algorithm giving best accuracy, that algorithm to deploy the GUI, graphical user interface. Here we you give input information, get the output here. Application user real time. We can use prototype to detect the pollutants of air in metro cities. Here feature enhancement. To automate this process by show the prediction result in web application or desktop application and mobile application also. Automated process. Automate means deployment. Software technology. We're using here Anaconda Navigator with Jupyter Notebook. Why using this software? Here using Anaconda is extensive of libraries which are inbuilt. Inbuilt libraries available, the Anaconda Navigator. Pre-installed library, inbuilt libraries. Hardware, minimum hardware requirements. Processor, Intel processor and 4 GB RAM and 15-inch color display and 40 GB hard disk. This is the minimum requirements. Thank you for watching this video.